Hello guys, I'm from Team Decepticon and let me present you my project. It's an AI based Instagram analyzer, and this project is basically Langflow based. Langflow is a GUI based software which helps us to leverage LLMs and create our own flow and fine tune our projects. So this project has two different flows. One is a retrieval flow and one is a load data flow. We'll go to the retrieval flow later. Let's analyze and let's check out the load data flow first. So in the load data flow, we have a file. The file is a CSV file, and from the CSV file, we have sent the CSV. The CSV file. This is how we have sent the CSV file to our database, and this is how the database looks. It's a JSON format of the database. We can see it right here, the JSON format of the database. And now from the CSV file, we have sent the data via a split text or a splitter which splits the text into 100 chunk overlaps and 1000 chunk sizes to the AstraDB. Now the chunks are basically passed to the AstraDB, and we have also used embedded a Cohere embedding system, which leverages the Cohere API key to embed our text data, embed our CSV data as a text embedding to the AstraDB. Now let's all the functions all the this is what the load data flow is about. Now let's check out the retrieval flow. In the retrieval flow we have two main components. One is the chat input and another one is the cohere embedding. The chat input basically passes a chat text based chat input, which is being fed to the database, to the AstraDB as a search input. Now we also have the cohere embedding which embeds the chat input, and from there basically we are using a parser to parse the uh, data stored, the chat input, the data stored in the database as well as the chat input to the parse data, right? And the parser will basically parse the data and it will convert it into a complete text and it will pass it to the prompt. See here, the parse data is basically converting the data present in the database, and it is converting it into complete text to pass it to the prompt. This is our prompt. The prompt basically contains of two basic component. One is the template. In the template I basically mentioned that you are an Instagram, you are a social media expert, and then we have several variables. The variables are, you can see here, the variables are comments, then content type, then content type, then views, then we have likes and day and many other factors. All these parameters are what enhances the prompt and what is making the overall system more powerful. And then we have the cohere API. The cohere API is basically fetching the input throughout the pipeline. It is fetching everything as an input, and then it is ultimately providing us a complete output. So you can see the output here. Let's play it, and already I have basically queried it, and we have already different answers here, but let's run it and check another once again. Hello, please provide, can you provide me some information on my Instagram account? Analyzing the posts. This is my query. Let's see the results.